Hello, is this really the tour guide's office?
Yes, it's true. Do you need any help?
Oh, yes, I do. I was wondering if you could suggest a good place to stay.
Well, tomorrow I will show you.
Oh, okay. Where will we meet?
In Paris Coffee.
Oh, okay.
By the way, what's your name?
Oh, my name is Father Muhammad.
Oh, Brother Muhammad.
Yes.
Can you send your report?
Oh, yes, I can.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Are you Mr. Bala?
Yes.
I am. My name is Bala.
Oh, Bara.
Are you found anywhere to stay?
Oh, no, I have. I'm waiting a recommend for me.
I will show it.
Oh, yes. Let's go.
Oh, yes.
By the way, can you tell me how about to get around the city?
Yes, I do. You can order Gojek.
Oh, I think so too.
Yeah. Oh, we have your recommendation this place.
Oh, so good. I like it.
Oh, is that too? I'm glad to hear that.
I'm sorry. I've gotta go because I will go to bank.
Oh, of course.
Okay, thank you.
Take care, man. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Welcome to ML Bank. Can I help you?
Yes. I want to open an account.
Which type of saving account do you want?
I want to junior saving account.
Oh, alright. I need to see some form of identification in identity card.
Oh, yes. Here it is.
Okay. Wait a moment. I'll process it.
Oh, yes. Go ahead.
While waiting, is there I can help?
By the way, can I send some money abroad from here?
Yes, you can.
If yes, how much?
Oh, the number of 5 euro.
Oh, that right. I just want to know.
Do you want to do it?
No, I just ask.
Okay. Alright. Your saving account already.
Oh, it's faster.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that. This is your identity card,
Okay.
and here is your saving account.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.